I love that you can change the shape of this. We got the largest model. The brand sent us this as a gift to try. It was super easy to put together. It took about 45 minutes and he ran in here right away and couldn't wait to play. When we opened the door, he walked right in and tried to shut it himself. Is it fun in there? Oh, fun. The gate is right here. You gonna shut the gate? Go shut it. Shut the door.
Liam.
We discovered after originally building it that you can alternate these plastic pieces here and it will allow you to then fold this gate up accordion style. So make sure you pay attention to the directions that you put the plastic swivels on. You want to alternate it to get that accordion style fold. Once you alternate the plastic pieces here so they swivel, you can fold this up like this accordion style, and this is so easy to then store in a bedroom or a closet and then take it down as needed or pack it up, say, to take to a park. So this is very cool. When you want to open and move the pieces, you simply just press down these buttons right here, and you can shape it as you saw in my earlier clips into like an octagon or a square.